Hello everyone, welcome back. If you like these amazing tutorials, please subscribe. So to begin, you go to text and then you will type whatever you want to type. This is for your Instagram posts or any other social media platform. Then the font I'm going to use is League's pattern. And you change the color, you add the effects, then you go to elements, you search for ink drop, you go to videos, you search the one you like, and then you adjust to the page. You trim the video, then you animate the text with a flicker. Then there you go. You are amazing.